gang stalking helicopter. Yeah, where's your red buddy at? Yeah, I know you see, I see you too. Freaking tired of these gang stalking helicopters. Oh, we may have luck. Oh, there you are. There's the red one. Oh yeah. Like clockwork, Monday through Friday, every day of the week. Look how red that sun is. It's craziness how much chemtrails they put in the air these days. Well, this is Target in case you know. Have a good, blessed, wonderful Friday night, everybody. Please be careful. Don't drink too much. Normally, I don't drink at all, but there's people out there that does do that, and I just want to say, please be safe, be careful. That was my gang stalking helicopters. Every day, man. Every day. And they do drop things out of those helicopters. Like a week ago, I seen, I think they're little drones. I'm not for sure, but a week ago, I seen them drop some stuff up. I wasn't able to get them on video, but I will keep trying. This is Target KCMO. Have a wonderful, blessed night. God bless you. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and have a wonderful weekend.